That elevator right there, that's where a woman asked my husband, who was holding a cheeseburger, are those cheeseburgers for everyone or just for the VIPs? And my question to you is, who the hell is planning your vacation that you don't know the answer to that question? Let's talk about this. Before we get started, thank you so much for watching our videos here at Waves and Wandering. If you enjoy them, please click subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, boop the bell and then you'll get notified as soon as we post something new. And we're always posting something new. You don't want to miss out on something. Also, if you need help planning your next trip, which some of these people that we're about to talk about, they needed somebody, just give me a call, send me a message, drop a message in the comments, and I will get back to you. Anna at wavesandwandering.com. Let's talk about this lady and some of the other people we've encountered.
The first thing is just, it was shocking. I thought it was a joke. I mean, the woman was dead serious. She had no idea that outside of the buffet, all of the rest of the food options she had on this cruise. I mean, who booked this trip? What's her information? Who's her go-to?
And she's not the only person that we saw questioning what food benefits are available while you're on a cruise. We were waiting for our table at the sushi restaurant, which is a specialty restaurant and does have an additional fee. And a woman was outraged to learn that it wasn't included on her cruise because she thought all of the food was included on her cruise. So here's some information that I have for you. First of all, you are spending hundreds, if not thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars to take your vacation. That's the first thing I want you to be fully aware of. This is your money and your vacation. The second thing is, for the most part,
Wives, ignore that part if your husband says he's got a $99 cruise.
For the most part, and especially when it comes to Waves and Wandering, you don't pay for a travel agency service. It's already built into the price of your vacation. So whether you use a travel agent or not, you're paying the same for your vacation. And the benefit of a travel agent is someone will tell you you can have a cheeseburger on a cruise, or someone will let you know ahead of time you can't have sushi on a cruise unless you're willing to pay for it. But the point is, the cruise line is going to charge you the same amount of money whether you use my services or not. So use us. Use a travel agent. Find someone that you trust and respect and will go over all of your benefits on vacation. The other thing that I want you to know is cruising is relaxing. It's easy. It's a no-brainer. You get on board the ship, people feed you, they clean your room, they'll do laundry if you want them to do laundry. There's a lot of amenities on board a cruise ship.
I wanted to start this video at 4 a.m. We've been so relaxed. It's 4 in the afternoon.
But you have to know what you're entitled to when you get here. All beverages are not included. On most cruise lines, soda is not even included. There are specialty restaurants that are extra fees.
Specialty coffees.
Specialty coffees that are extra fees. But what do you get? You absolutely get burgers and hot dogs and pizza, usually out by the pool deck, but every cruise line has some sort of extra food outside of the main dining room and the buffet that you can go get something to eat. There's always some place to get a coffee, a juice, an iced tea, a cold glass of water, a hot cup of tea, a hot regular coffee. Those are all included on all of the cruise lines. So let your travel agent know that you are not familiar with cruising. You're not coming to them as an expert. And even if you don't remember to tell them that, make sure they go over everything with you. It might be a new cruise ship to you. It might be a new cruise line for you. Don't miss out on the things that you're already paying for.
I mean, honestly, these are the things they should have told you already. I think that's the worst part about this, is this woman went to someone or some website and paid the same amount of money that could have gotten an Anna with a packing list and Jim with his jokes. And, she paid the same amount of money and she's missing out. She's walking FOMO.
Yeah, you absolutely have to know what you're paying for so that you don't miss out on the benefits, on the amenities, on all of the things that you're entitled to. So if you need a travel agent, and really everybody needs a travel agent, we're here for you. Don't forget to reach out to us, but make sure, even if you don't book a travel agent, go on your cruise line website, not just looking at the main website. Look specifically at your ship, look specifically at the amenities, the dining, the entertainment, the activities. It will tell you, it'll give you a breakdown of what you have to pay extra for and what's included with your vacation. If you can't find it there, go to a site like Cruise Critic, which has thousands upon thousands of reviews, of pictures of ships, of pictures of food, and you will learn this stuff. But if you don't want to do the research on your own, and it can be overwhelming, get a travel agent.
Get somebody like Anna, who has the cruise industry's highest certification there is.
Ooh, elite cruise counselor. Yeah, I've done the research. I've done the homework. If you need me, I'm here. Thank you for tuning in. We are so grateful for you watching us.